Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me and I'm gonna be answering a few questions as well. I just want to say, like, my chest looks like this because I decided to shave it and it just went all bad. So please try to ignore this. So I hope you guys keep watching, and if you enjoy it, subscribe or like the video, and let's get into it. This is the Maybelline Master Primer, and it's kind of shitty to me, honestly, but it's the only one I have, so I just try to work with it. But I be putting on a lot because it's shitty. Like, that's just me. And I've been breaking out so much. God, it looks like I have body acne, but I swear to God, I do not. I've been on hold with someone for like an hour. And I just got put on hold again. So I'm filming while I'm on hold. Oh my God. Anyways, so I'm gonna start answering questions and start doing my makeup. So I got asked how old am I, and I'm 20 years old. My birthday's in December. BTW, I forgot to do my eyebrows, and honestly, I don't even want to touch them, so I'm not gonna. That's what they're gonna look like. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? That's tough. I'd be 25, so I have no idea, honestly. I don't know how people answer questions like that. Like, it's like too much for me to be thinking about because I genuinely have no idea. How am I spending my time in isolation? I've pretty much just been, like, my boyfriend will play Warzone or FIFA or whatever games, and I'll literally just be so purely entertained watching him play. And then when I'm not doing that, I'm either watching Westworld with him or watching the show Charmed on Netflix, because I'm really trying to finish that show right now. And that's about it. How has life been treating me and Koi? And what's my whole thoughts on the whole COVID-19? That's tough. Me and Koi are good. You know, it low-key gets a little tough not being able to do anything, but it is what it is. Like I said, like, we've been just pretty much watching Westworld and just YouTube. I don't know how I want this to look, but I already know I don't like this blue. It's too dark. My whole thoughts on the COVID-19. Okay. I don't know what to say, except I feel like anything I say, like, anyone could just make something out of it. I just think it's like, I don't know, it's getting pretty serious, and a lot of people are part of the problem, honestly, including me. Like, I be going out with my boyfriend to his friend's house sometimes, and I don't know. Like, people are still going to, like, all these places, and, like, no one's really, I guess, listening. Like, some people are actually, like, keeping their distance, and some, like, I don't know. I just think, like, it's really dumb, like, how everyone's still out and about. That's it. Like, we're not gonna solve it yet. And I don't know. I don't want to even say anything about it anymore, because I'm cool off that. Are you active during the day / going places? No, I'm not. Some days I'll go out, but no, not really, honestly. What are you most passionate about? Okay, fuck it. I'm leaving it the way it is. What am I most passionate about? I don't really think I'm passionate about anything. Like, that's so sad to say. Like, I love recording videos for YouTube, or, like, I guess doing makeup sometimes. But I don't know how it feels to have a passion. So if this is my passion, I don't know. I hate when eyeliner actually literally looks like that. I've never done this type of makeup, so I feel like it's gonna look weird. What do I want to do career-wise? I want to do YouTube. I want to be a photographer. I want to act, model. Like, I want to do all these, like, creative things, but I don't really, I guess, apply myself to it. This entire quarantine, I could have been filming videos, but I just didn't, mainly because, like, other people are in the house. But it is what it is. Hopefully when I'm older, I would have finally found some way to do either of those things, because those are things I've genuinely enjoyed since I was a kid. So I do have to clean up this side, even though I kind of like how that looks more, I don't know. I need to do the eyeliner now. I'm not gonna talk during this because, oh my god, it's gonna be hard. I got asked tips on posing for pics. Not gonna lie, I'm not even that good at posing for pics. If you're getting your picture taken by somebody else, make sure you're comfortable with them. I don't mean to be rude, but like if I'm taking pictures like based on my past experiences, like, I feel more comfortable with strangers than I do with my friends. I don't know why, but that's just how I am. If you're taking them by yourself, make sure you look like you're not stiff, you know? And if someone's taking them for you, ask them to give you directions, because a lot of photographers don't give you, like, directions. Like, let's say they're taking a picture of you, and, like, let's say a fucking small piece of hair is in the front of they're not gonna say nothing unless, like, it looks really, really bad. But if there's just like all these baby hairs are like sticking out like that, they're not gonna say nothing. And that's one thing I don't like about getting my pictures taken by photographers. I feel like I'm not even giving you tips at all, but I'm just saying, like, just like make yourself look relaxed. Like, don't make yourself look stiff, because that's just not cute. And like, people can tell when you look stiff in a picture too. Thoughts on being locked up for quarantine. I'm like used to being home all the time, so like it doesn't really feel that different to me. It does kind of suck though that like if we do want to go out, like there's nothing really to go to, so that sucks. Anybody can go on like drives or walks or boring stuff, but like to me it's kind of nice like being able to go for a drive. Like I love being in the car like late at night when it's dark and just listening to music, and when my boyfriend's driving, because I don't be driving that much, honestly, because I don't have a car. I mean, other than that, like it's pretty normal to me. How do you build confidence in low times? That's tough. I feel like I'm not the best person to ask about this. Just knowing myself. I think anybody who knows me actually would probably agree with me. So we're gonna leave it like completely different eyes. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm definitely not the person to get this question asked, because I have never really been great with my own self-esteem. I'm very self-conscious. I'm very judgmental of myself. I'm very belittling of myself, and that's terrible. Don't be like that. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say about that.